Hey explorers, Kitty Explorer here, and I am in the final hotel room of our Paris trip, which is the Moxy Paris Bastille. I'm going to give you a tour of the room. You know how I do the hotel tours, okay? Do a tour of the room. There's not much. This is a typical European size hotel, very small room. But I'm also going to show you the outside of the hotel. I'm going to show you the lobby area and any of its amenities along the way. So let's go tour the room, and then after I wake up tomorrow, I'll take you on a tour of the rest of the hotel. So let's go get a tour on of the Moxy Paris Bastille, which is a Marriott branded hotel. All right, the Moxy Paris Bastille, typical European size room, very small. So there's a chair, 2 beds. Looks like some water. A little desk. I guess that's our luggage and closet. And it says a small gift for you. Enjoy your stay with us. There's not much lighting in this room. What's in this? Oh, okay, so we got eye mask. Whatever I don't use, I'm definitely taking with me. Oh no, I'm gonna take that out of my niece's thing. Some wipes and earplugs. We had a long day out, but we are approaching the Moxy Hotel, so you can see the entrance and the lobby. And we're gonna go into the elevator and go up to our room, which you can see the elevator is nicely decorated, and both elevators like that. Hey Nugget. And here is the check-in desk, check-out desk, as well as a bar area. As you can see, here is the menu for cocktails, wine. Then I went down to get us something to drink. Well, we were thirsty because we were at Disney all day. So I got water and ginger ale for us. You can just see all of the artwork here, all of the areas you can lounge here on the first floor of the Moxy Hotel. I believe when I was there, I saw a sign that they have a breakfast buffet every day from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So it's definitely something to check out. And it's definitely a nice little area if you need to work. There are a variety of places to just really get your work on. There's also an outside area, which I didn't see until our last day, where you can see some rooms are looking out onto this grass area and places to hang out and relax here at the Moxy. There's also games here in the lounge lobby first floor area and a TV. Now I must say, they do have a nice TV. They gave us a free drink card each, so we can go down to the bar and get a free drink whenever we want to with that card. And they gave us a free kit, which I'll show you during the tour, a free welcome kit. And yeah, and then we got like a free cookie at check-in. I don't know if that's always the case. And also when we took the elevator up, a small elevator, typical European size elevator, very small, hardly fit us in our luggage. But also when we got to the floor, the lights are automatic. So it was dark, and as soon as we stepped on the floor, it lit up. So that was great. But yeah, so out of the 3 hotels I've stayed in during this European trip, I must say this is my least favorite one. Partially the size, and I just didn't get a good vibe. Maybe it's because of how I felt leaving the train station, because it was kind of awkward. But anyway, so that's a whole different story. Make sure you check out that video to learn more about the train station. Okay, explorers, I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of the Moxy Paris Bastille Hotel by Marriott. Final words on it: the staff at the hotel, though at least the people I encountered, was very friendly. It wasn't really noisy in the hotel, even though there was a lot of activity. The hotel was also close, or at least in walking distance, to the RATP, which is Paris train line. And there was a grocery store about a block away. There were restaurants nearby, and Uber's Free Now cars could get to the hotel very easily. I don't know if I would stay there again unless I was using points. It wasn't my favorite hotel, like I mentioned, but it still was a decent stay. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's free for you to do so, and it helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already done so, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and your social media networks. And make sure you head on over to keytoexplore.darkroom.tech so you can purchase one of the photos that I took while in Paris to decorate your space and support my small business. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.